Hello, my name is Alyana, and I'm here today to talk to you about concentrates and the Puffco Peak, which are things that we carry here at MaryandMain. So let's put that aside. This is the unboxing of the Puffco Peak, which is an electric nail. It's basically an electric dab rig. So usually when you smoke concentrates, you need a special rig and a torch. You use a torch to heat the rig up to a certain temperature, and then you take the torch off for a certain amount of time, and then you can drop your concentrate down into the rig. That's a lot of work, and I'm not a welder, so I don't want to play with a torch in my free time. If you are like me and you like things made easy and simple, then the Puffco Peak is for you. So this is what it looks like in the box. They're separated pieces that you have to assemble together, and assembly is so easy. I'm about to do it right now for you. So you will take your top and put water in enough to cover the bubbles in the back. This hole right here matches up with this hole right here. You go in at an angle once you've put the water in already. This piece right here is your carb cap, which comes with a little attachment piece. So you put the small end around your carb cap like this, and then you put the larger loop around your atomizer, okay? It comes with a dab tool, which is really nice. Q-tips, you just throw this away. Q-tips for you to clean your concentrate out with once you're done. It comes with a charger port, a charging cord, and an extra bowl. So what you do is you take your concentrate, like so. This concentrate is LA chocolate cured butter. That's why it looks like this thick consistency. So you'll take your tool, scoop your concentrate out, and then deposit it into the bottom of your bowl. Now you want to make sure that the concentrate goes down in the bottom and not so much on the walls of the bowl. Then you will cap it with your carb cap. In the front right here is a power button that you will press and hold until it vibrates. And there's a light to let me know that it just turned on. If you press it one time, it'll show you what temperature setting it's currently on. If you press it again while it's still lit, it will change the temperature setting. So blue is the lowest, green is medium, red is hot, and white is the hottest. Red and white are really good if you're trying to burn diamonds, because you want to make sure that that concentrated rock of THC melts thoroughly. So once you have your concentrate inside the bowl and you've capped it again, all you do is double click the power button in the front, and it vibrates to let you know that it's heating. It will also pulsate the light to let you know what temperature it's on and the fact that it's heating. When it gets to the designated temperature, it will vibrate again, double flash the light, and let me know that it's time for me to hit it. All you do, put your mouth on and breathe, inhale. That's it. It will continue to heat your concentrate while you are inhaling. That's where the carb cap comes in. You take it and you move it around. You just swirl it. What this does is pushes your concentrate around in the bottom of the bowl to make sure that it burns evenly. It'll vibrate to let you know that it's done heating up, and you still get 2 to 3 hits after it's done. That's it. So I'm back again to talk to you about concentrates in detail. Disclaimer, I'm going to talk about how these products affect me, and I'm going to use words like anti-anxiety or antidepressant, muscle relaxant. A lot of this stuff has not been medically FDA scientifically approved, partially because there hasn't been a lot of research allowed on this stuff. But I digress. So for legality reasons, the same things that happen to me might not happen to you, because always remember, the same strain of cannabis can affect different people in different ways. Okay, so first let's start out with why I use concentrates. It is advanced. It is something that I do in place of smoking flower. Taking one dab is equivalent, to me at least, and this will range different numbers for different people. Taking one dab for me is equivalent to smoking a joint and a half. So it saves me a joint and a half of flower. It's also instantaneous, okay? So it's like a vape cartridge, but heavier. Or a vape cartridge, but more energy. The cool thing about concentrates is their high number of terpenes. LA chocolate cured butter is actually an aphrodisiac. The LA chocolate strain itself is an aphrodisiac. Limonene, coming in at 1.73, is really great for energy and creativity. The linalool, being at 1.27, is really amazing for body relaxation and sedation. It's also really good for the body tingles. And then there's the trans-caryophyllene, which is also a muscle relaxant too. So this high concentrate, and again the instantaneous effect, is what puts me in a really great mood. Like I said, I feel my stress melt away when I smoke this. It's because of the combination of the limonene, which makes me super happy. It's an antidepressant and it's an anti-anxiety. And it's also because of the mix with the linalool, which, like I said, is a muscle relaxant. So this literally melts stress away.